There is one of the most powerful financial institutions in the world quietly rebuilding the backbone of global markets on blockchain. Not a crypto startup, not a Silicon Valley experiment. The London Stock Exchange, one of the oldest financial infrastructures on Earth. And what makes this more interesting is how quietly this is happening. Hi, my name is Lamia, and in this video we're going to break down why London Stock Exchange Group is building on chain, settlement, infrastructure, why this signals a deeper system shift, and what it reveals about how power in finance actually moves. Stay with me. Over the last week, the London Stock Exchange Group announced it is developing a blockchain-based digital settlement system for institutional markets, not for retail traders, not for crypto natives, for bonds, for equities, for large-scale financial assets. This is not marketing, this is infrastructure, and the details matters because settlement is where ownership becomes final. It's where trillions of dollars are cleared and confirmed. It is the plumbing of the financial system. And when you change the plumbing, you change how value moves. For decades, traditional markets relied on clearinghouses, custodians, layered intermediaries, slow, fragmented, dependent on trust between institutions. Now the London Stock Exchange is moving part of that process on chain, programmable, digitally native, interoperable. And here's the contradiction. For years, blockchain was described as a threat to traditional finance. Now, traditional finance is rebuilding itself using the same technology, not replacing itself, upgrading itself quietly. Major global banks are involved in shaping this system. The same institutions that once treated crypto as speculative are now integrating blockchain rails into their core infrastructure. That shift is not about price, it's about survival, because institutions don't rebuild their foundation systems unless something is structurally better. Blockchain reduces frictions, reduces reconciliation risks, reduces settlement delays, and in global finance, speed and certainty are power. Now step back. This isn't about Bitcoin, it's about altcoins. It's about something deeper. The rails of global finance are becoming programmable. And when the rails change, the asset that moves on them change too. The internet did this to media. Blockchain is doing it to settlement, slowly, systematically, without headlines screaming. The real story is not whether crypto replaces banks. The real story is that banks are integrating blockchain into their foundation, because the system evolves when efficiency becomes unavoidable. And once you see that shift, you start to understand where capital flows next. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.